fellow YouTube viewers and fans. This song is requested to two people, Molly Broom and Alexis Frey. They pick me up when I'm feeling down. They're always there when I need to talk about my music or I have a problem. And just in the meantime, as people have been talking mess about me, they encourage me to keep going and that y'all are just jealous. So the first song that I'm going to do was requested by Molly, and it is It Will Rain by Bruno Mars. I hope you like your song, girl. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me, no matter how long my knees are on the floor. So keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side and keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy can't even look me in the eye. Oh, if I was in their shoes, I'd be doing the same thing, saying there goes my little girl, walking with that troublesome guy. But they're just afraid of something they can't understand. Oh, but little darling, watch me change their minds. If I'll try, I'll try, I'll try, I'll try. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that will make you mine. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Oh, don't you say goodbye. Don't you say goodbye. I'll pick up these broken pieces till I'm bleeding, if that will make you right. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. And just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain, rain, rain. Well, Molly, there's your song. Thanks for your support and for everything you do. Until next time, bye.